Did you know that you can Did you know that you can create designs in Canva using ChatGPT? Legit. You tell it what you want and it creates it in Canva. Let me show you how to do it. All right, so a bit out of the ordinary, but today the first thing we're going to open is ChatGPT instead of Canva. So with ChatGPT, make sure you go ahead and have an account. I don't know that you need a Plus account. I just do because I use it for a lot of stuff. But here we're going to go ahead and go to apps. With apps, Canva is right there at the top. But if it's not for you, we're just going to type in Canva. Go right here, click on Canva and hit connect. Go and hit continue. And then it's going to take you through a few things to like choose where you want. I want to make sure it's the right team. I'm just going to click allow. This is assuming you already have a Canva account and you're signed in. If you do not have a Canva account, there will be a link down below to give you a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro. But just like that, Canva is now connected. You can click start chat, but the best way I find to do it is go and hit new chat. In here, you're going to type at Canva, just like you're tagging someone on social media. And with that, you can now type anything you want, and it is going to create this design in Canva. So for what we're going to do today is I'm actually going to bring in an image that I have that has a bit of information on it. This is my single page pitch deck. The idea of this is, you'd send it to a company that you potentially want to work with. And it's just a single page, all the information about me and my brand. It is extremely outdated, but that's okay. We're not too worried about that. We're just going to use it as an example today. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to drag this pitch deck into ChatGPT, just like this. Now it has that information, and I'm going to say something like, create a presentation for me, for my brand, based on the information in the photo. We'll say the purpose is to present my brand to potential clients for sponsorships. Right now, we can do anything here, but a presentation is a good way to show you like a lot of what it can do. So I'm just going to send that in. And if you don't have this information, just fill it in. So, create a presentation for my brand. This is my name. This is what I'm about. This is the games I stream. These are my numbers. Type it all out there. And you can see here, it is connected to Canva. It is starting to design our presentation. These are all going to be individual slides of the presentation in Canva. Okay, and there we go. It has every kind of thing worked out here. So Dr. Hill's brand sponsorship pitch deck, meet Dr. Hill's, brand identity and positioning, content streaming. Okay, so it's got all this. It's giving me all this basic information. Now I could click on something like this, and it's going to give me a bit more information. And then I could actually go in here and tell it to make some changes. But for this example, we'll leave it just how it is. And we'll say, that looks good. Oh, it looks like maybe I can change it here. Interesting. Balance 5 to 15 slides. And then, I can choose kind of the style as well, which is really cool. Let's see. It's selected digital automatically. We'll leave it at that, but you can see there's a lot of different ways you can play around with this. Then we are going to go ahead and hit generate design. Let's see. Is it working? There we go. Okay. So now the designs are actually generating. And don't worry, we'll actually be able to open. And don't worry, we'll be able to open these in Canva and make any changes we want. But this is a really, really good foundation. Okay, and sometimes it'll pop this up. I'm not sure the purpose of this, but if you just hit generate design, it'll do it. Okay. And just like that, we are done. I can scroll around here. Okay. These all look really, really good. I think I like this one the best. Now keep in mind, we're not looking at the colors or anything like that. We can change all that. So we're just looking at the overall design. So I can click on this and it's going to show me all of the slides. Yeah, I think I like this one a lot. Okay. Yeah, I think that one's really good. So now that I have this one, I'm just going to click open in Canva. And now, for the first time in this video, we are in Canva. And our design is all here with our information. It's been designed for us based on the information that we gave it. I don't know what kind of weird thing it tried to create here, but that is not my brand, but that's okay. So what we're going to do is let's go ahead and make it look more like the Dr. Drills brand. So with any slide selected, I'm going to go here to brand, and I already have a brand kit. If you do not have a brand kit, I do have a video on the channel on how to create your own. But with my brand kit, I'm just going to click my color palette right here, and I'm going to hit apply to all pages. And you see how every page just got shuffled, my brand kit did. Now I can actually kind of shuffle through this and play with different ones. Let's go with that one. Let's apply that one to all pages. And then I can go to each individual page and be like, I don't want the background on every page to be white. And so then I can kind of just shuffle through until I get something that I like. Right? There we go. But anyway, you can kind of keep going through and you can look right here. It pulled all of my numbers. Now, one thing to be noted, these numbers are very old. I haven't streamed in quite a while. I can almost assure you these will not be my numbers at that time. But whenever I start streaming again, and content is coming back, I promise. But yeah, so it's kind of pulled all of this, which I think came out really, really good. Here's like my YouTube numbers, which are very outdated. Yeah, so it pulled all of that information. I just gave it information. I gave it to ChatGPT and I said, create a presentation. And it's like, here you go, buddy. And I think that's phenomenal. And so anyway, I hope this helps you. I can't wait to explore what all we can do with creating, presentations and creating maybe logos and overlays and I don't know, plenty of other things in Canva using ChatGPT. What a cool integration. So I really hope this video helped you. I can't wait to see what you make. If you do make anything using this video or using these tips, go and join my Discord. It is linked down below, and post whatever you made in the share your art category. I'd love to see what you guys have. Anyway, appreciate you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Follow me over on Twitch. We do a lot of these tutorials just like this live on stream. So I'd love to see you over there. All right. I'll see you in the next one.